Hey guys, I'm Jay Ajmera and you are watching Beyond Agriculture. Today's video is something that I wish someone had made for me when I was doing my agriculture degree. A complete step-by-step practical guide on how to select a research topic, how to write a synopsis, how to design treatment, how to collect review of literature, how to choose your experimental design, and how to structure the entire document. And the best part, I'll show you one real synopsis so you don't just hear to me, you will have to see everything look like in real life when you go for making your synopsis. Let's begin the lecture. First, we'll understand how to select a research topic. This is the first and most important step. According to me, a topic should be past 5 filters. So first filter is it relevant to your major subject or not? So if your major is like soil science, your topic must be soil related. If it is agronomy, it should be related to agronomy, like crop management. If it is horticulture, it can be like this on food, vegetables, flower studies, anything that is related to horticulture. In my case, my major was soil science, so topic needed a soil component. Filter number second, is it workable in 90 to 120 days? A thesis has a limited time. You cannot choose forest trees or 2 year crops. In my case, my crop was chickpea, perfect for Rabi season. Filter number three, are input and material available with you? Choose something where you can easily get seeds, fertilizers, chemical, instruments, lab tests. Filter number four, does your university have facilities? Before finalizing, ask, do we have sprayer, lab equipment, chemical, biofertilizer space? Filter number five, the idea that you choose, is that scientifically valuable or not? Your study should add something new in this. For example, molybdenum in chickpea is still under research. So combining molybdenum plus biofertilizer plus organic manure is not commonly tested. That's why my title was very strong. So it check at the same time it check all the 5 boxes. Next topic, we have to understand how to create a title. A good title must answer 3 questions. What factor are you studying? On which crop? Which parameters are you taking? Like growth, yield, and soil. For example, in my synopsis, my title was Effect of Molybdenum, Biofertilizer, and Organic Manure on Growth and Yield of Chickpea. This title was good just because of it's short and very clear. Topic number third, how to write the introduction of your synopsis. An introduction has a 4 part according to me. First part is introduce the crop, in which you can keep in your mind area, importance, nutritional composition, major producing state, and global importance. Part number second, you can keep in your mind introduce the problem that is related to the crop. Chickpea remove the molybdenum from the soil. Molybdenum is deficient in the acidic soil. Organic manure improve the soil structure. Biofertilizer improve the nutrient availability. Part number third, scientific justification. Here you can add lines like these. Previous research shows that molybdenum increase the nodulation, dry matter, and grain weight. Biofertilizer increase the nutrient uptake. And the part number fourth is about the CAPE. What has not been studying yet? For me, it was molybdenum biofertilizer, organic manure. Together, it was not been studying too much. So there was the amazing or specific topic that I can choose particularly on that time. Topic number four, how to collect review of literature. This is the where the most students struggle. I always follow these 3 steps when I go about how to select the review in literature. So first step is search research paper from the trusted resources like KRIBBCO. You can go for Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Ganga, ICR Journals, Science Direct, PubMed for soil chemistry or microbiology, or you can search term like these molybdenum chickpea research. If your title lies somewhere around my one, so you can search particular terms like these: molybdenum chickpea research, biofertilizer effect on legume, organic manure soil properties, rhizome chickpea yield study. Step number second, read only these 4 things in a paper. You don't need to read the full paper. Just read abstract, result, conclusion, and graph and tables. They tell you exactly what the researchers found. Step number three, convert result into the simple lines. Example from my synopsis. Pardy 2018 reported that molybdenum seed treatment increased yield by the 45% compared to the control plot. My personal favorite rules that I used to follow: one paper for one clear line, only facts, no personal opinions. My synopsis has perfect line like these. Morana et al. 2017 found FOM improved soil CC. This is exactly how literature review should be look like or written. Topic number five, how to write objective. Objective must be clear, simple, measurable, 3 to 4 only numbers directly related to the treatment. Your object can be perfect when it's lie around your title and your treatments. In my case, it was like this: effect of biofertilizer on chickpea, interaction of molybdenum, biofertilizer, and organic manure, economics of the treatment, clear, forecast, easy to measure. How to design treatment? That is the next topic to understand. A treatment is simply a combination of input that you want to test. To design a good treatment, there was some rule that I used to follow during my synopsis writing. So if these rules are comfortable for you, then you can opt any of them or you can opt all of them if you find interesting. So first rule was like this: start with simple levels. Like for example, if I am 100%, vermicompost 100% will pretty simple. Rule number second, aid combination treatment like this: 75% FIM plus rhizobium plus PSB. These take the partial doses plus biofertilizer effects. Rule number third that I used to follow is that add the factor of study. There was main. In my case, my main factor was molybdenum, so treatment include molybdenum alone and molybdenum plus organic manure. Rule number four, always include a control. Controls means no input. It is essential for the comparisons. Rule number five, keep your treatment lie between 6 to 10. Below 6, it would be feel like very big study. Above 10, it would be very too much work for you. So in my case, it was 8. There was perfect number that I could choose. Topic number 7, how to choose experiment design like CRD, RBD or LSB. Use these simple rules. RBD, randomized block design. Use when you are going for the field experiment. Soil variation exists in your field if your treatment is more than 5. I use this design during my research. CRD, completely randomized block design. Use when pot experiment are you prepared for, and if you are taking greenhouse experiment and lab experiment. This design is very amazing. Split plot design. Use when you have two factors to study at one time. One is difficult to apply, for example, like irrigation plus fertilizer levels. RBD is perfect for the chickpea treatment. How to write material and method? Method should be explained only what you are going to do, not theory. For example, location, plot size, irrigation channel, seed rate, spacing, variety, design, or season. Every method must be precise, measurable, or repeatable, not too long. How to decide observation? Observation depends on your objective, treatment, and crop physiology. For chickpea, I choose growth observation like height, branches, or dry matter. For yield attribute, I choose pods, seeds per pods, or 100 seed weight. In soil parameters, I choose pH, EC, OC, or molybdenum. Or economics, you can go for BC ratio, must be follow for agronomy or soil science. Next topic, we need to understand how to write bibliography. Use proper format. In my case, it was author, bracket, year, title, journal, volume, page. Your bibliography is perfect formatted. There is should be mandatory. And that's how you can make complete perfect professional synopsis. If you follow these steps, your title will be strong, your introduction will be logical, your review of literature will be scientific, your treatment will be meaningful, your methodology will be solid, your synopsis will get approved very easily. This is the video I had when I started my research. If you found it is valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the Beyond Agriculture because we are building a real community here, not just for mark, but for growth as well. I'm Jasmine and see you in the next episode.